Hey everybody, I thought I'd share this book called Quirky Bird. It says on the back here, it says, Birds created by Joe Ryan and Ellie Boultwood. Written by Robyn Newton. It's for a company called Alphaprints, and I think there are several other books that are similar with their art, and this is also a touch and feel book if you can find your own copy. I found this copy at Half Price Books. I'll try to find a link and post it below. Emu is a quirky bird. Duckling thinks she's quite absurd. Pelican scoops and kingfisher dives. Both are hungry for the prize. Toucan sits high in the tropical trees and laughs at the flamingo's knobby knees. Hummingbird flits to and fro. Sleepy owl likes things slow. Parrots really love to fly. Plucky penguin can but try. So penguins have wings, but they don't really fly. Simple pigeons, short and gray, are dazed by peacock's tail display. Here's the gray pigeons. So male peacocks are really bright, and the females are called peahens, and they're more of like this gray and brown color like the pigeons are. And then here's the page with all of the different kind of birds that were in our book. And that's the end.